Hello children, welcome to Rainbow Art School again. I am your Haran sir and today I am going to teach you a house. How to make a house step by step. Slowly we are going to do. Okay. So using the shapes, in the last class we have learned the shapes, triangle, square, rectangle. Yes, using that shape we are going to make the house. Are you ready children? Yes, so take out your drawing copy or rough copy, whatever you have, you can use. Okay, and but do not use scale, children. Without using scale, we are going to make. I will show you step by step, slowly. Okay, don't worry. Yes, so let's start now. First, what we are going to do? First, we are going to make the triangle. See, children, this is the triangle. We are going to make the triangle without using scale. So first, what we are going to do? Here we are going to make a triangle. So children, it's very easy. First, like this, we are going to make the triangle. See, make the triangle first, children. See, yes. Without using scale, you are going to make the triangle. Done, children? Yes. So this triangle we have made. Yes, so next we are going to make a square. See here we are going to make a square. So from here I am going to draw one line like this, then one slipping line and again one standing line. So this is the square. See children, triangle and square we have made here. Triangle and square we have made here. Done? Yes. Slowly. Do slowly. Do not hold your pencil tightly. Okay? Yes. So next we are going to make here a rectangle. For the door we are going to make a rectangle. So here in the middle we are going to make a rectangle. See children, like this. We are going to draw a rectangle without using scale. See, we have made the door. Now for the window we will make a square. Okay, very easy. So first we will make here a square like this. Square. Okay, and now here we will draw, in the middle we will draw a standing line and a slipping line. Standing line and a slipping line. See, like this we will make. Our house is almost ready children. Okay, so now here we will make this portion. So how we will do? We will extend this line little bit here. We will extend these two small line. Okay, and next we will draw here two small standing line. Okay, and then we will draw a slipping line. So our house is almost ready. Our house is almost ready, see children. Yes, I hope you have made the house. Yes, so now we are going to color here. Nice color we are going to put here. You can use a red color, yellow color. I will show you the coloring in my drawing copy. Okay, take out your color, whatever color you have, plastic crayons or oil pastel. Plastic crayons is good. Okay, if you are using oil pastel, try to do slowly. And now let's start the coloring. I will show you the coloring in my drawing paper. Let's start now.